Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about the data models in DBMS. There is a need of data models where we use the concept of tools to develop and to summarize the description of the database. In data models, we provide us transparent pictures of data which helps us in creating the actual database. It shows us from the design of the data to its proper implementation of the data. Now we can use measure three types of relational models to show the data, that is conceptual data model, representational data model, and physical data model. So these are the three categories of data model: conceptual data model, representational data model, and physical data model. So with the use of this model, when we use the conceptual data model, the conceptual, as the name indicates, this shows the conceptual process of the data. So we can use the ER model, entity relationship model, as the best model for this conceptual data model. As we know, an entity is referred to the real world object like name, place, class, etc. we can use to represent the in the ER diagram entity. Second is attributes, and attributes can be defined as description of the entity. The attributes for students is age or roll number, marks of students or address of students. These are the attributes of an entity of students in ER diagram. And the third ER diagram is relationship is also used in ER diagram. The relationships are used to define the relations among these entities used in the ER diagram. So ER diagram is a combination of entity, attributes, and the relationship between them. So this is the ER diagram. Now the second is a representational data model. Now in the representation data model, we have to represent the relationship between these. So we can use the relational algebra to show the relation between the data of the data model or relational model. So relational calculation and relational algebra is used, it is theoretically concept whose practical implementation is done in the physical data model. And the third one is physical data model. The physical data model is used to practically implement of relational data model. How to use practically the relational data model is in the form of physical data model. All data in database is stored physically on a sequence storage device such as disk or tapes, and this stored form of files, records, and certain other data structures is also used, and we use the SQL in practically implementation of relational algebra. Thank you very much.